Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to save Echinacea seeds. First, you need to identify mature seed heads. Look for cones that have turned dark brown and where all the petals have fallen off. It is best to let these seed heads dry on the plant for several weeks after the flowers fade. Once they are thoroughly dry, carefully cut the stems just below the cones. This initial step ensures your seeds are fully developed and ready for collection. Now, let's get those seeds out. Echinacea cones can be quite prickly, so wearing sturdy gloves is highly recommended to protect your hands. You can gently rub the dried cones together over a tray or against a fine mesh screen. This action helps to dislodge the small, dark, triangular seeds from the cone's core. Be patient, as it might take a little effort to free all the seeds. After extraction, it's crucial to clean and thoroughly dry your seeds. Carefully remove any small pieces of plant debris or chaff that might still be mixed in with your seeds. Then, spread the cleaned seeds in a single, thin layer on a tray, a paper towel, or a fine screen. Let them air dry completely for about 1 to 2 weeks in a cool, dry location. This prevents mold and ensures long-term viability. Finally, proper storage is key to keeping your Echinacea seeds viable for future planting. Once the seeds are completely dry, place them into an airtight container, such as a small jar or a paper envelope. Make sure to clearly label your container with the type of seed and the date you collected them. Store these labeled containers in a cool, dark, and dry place, like a cupboard or refrigerator, for optimal longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.